Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the basics and immediately acting. Check that your Wi-Fi or cellular connection is stable, then toggle airplane mode on and off to reset networking. Once done, restart the device to clear hung processes and make sure you have at least a few hundred megabytes free so cache operations can complete. Next, go to Settings, Apps, find Google Play Store, force stop it, and clear the cache. This removes transient errors without changing your account. Now you move into account and data fixes that address deeper faults. First, clear the cache and, if necessary, storage for Google Play services, then reboot to let the system reinitialize. If that fails, remove your Google account from Settings, reboot, and re-add the account so authentication tokens refresh. Also check Play Store updates. Uninstall updates to revert to factory version, then update again from the store. These steps repair corrupted app data. Finish by applying last resort and preventative measures. Install any pending Android system updates because platform bugs can break Play Store behavior, then test the store. If problems persist, boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app is causing the crash. Uninstall offending apps. Only after backing up your data should you perform a factory reset, which clears deep system corruption. If you still see the error, the key troubleshooting tip is to test with an alternate Google account to isolate account-specific issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.